Rewind, attack it, 24 to 20 cop vibe. What I say, you never know the same time. But guess what, that night, there was nothing. That night, there was nothing. Saturday night, and the streets were dead. Bob behind the wheel, trying to keep folks fed. On fear, on fables, on safe Paul pride. Driving in circles, nowhere to hide. Pat with the banter, facts half-formed. Reciting crime stats like a lukewarm storm. Talked about meth, then COVID, then grace. While the crime rate crawled in a cornered place. Be kind, rewind, watch the rerun line. Where the badge meets boredom, under suburban sky. You never know what's around the bend. This time it's potholes and a quiet weekend. They passed the bars, they passed the gas. Bob preaching community through bulletproof glass. Missed a call or two, waved off the scene. Too busy storytelling on the in-car screen. Told the tale of the DUI years before. Turned into a sermon like a midnight lore. Dropped names like he drops the facts. Pat just nodded with more fun facts. No sirens, no stops, just digital noise. To a aging medic plane with taxpayer toys. Adjacent ghosts, a dance in the dark. A patrol where they park more than spark. Be kind, rewind, it's a rerun ride. Lights flash blue, but the action died. You never know what's around the turn. Tonight, Bob, you got nothing to burn. So I filed it under folklore, propaganda classic. Just another night where the story mattered more than the street. Be kind, rewind, and pretend it was more than it was.
My car's on fire. You wanna get out?
Nope.